All the cats are where they're supposed to be today. Johnny took the Morrison stripe feeding after his success with Morris again yesterday. He got to touch his stomach.
Oh,
yeah,
boy.
Yeah. I was noticing out here, I'm gonna have to mow again already. It's getting tall, but everything's looking good. Oh, is there a timer? They've all gone off at night or something?
Yeah, they'll turn, I think they are on a timer.
Okay.
I don't know which one.
We'll have to figure that out.
Yeah, we're getting so many of them now, I can't keep them straight.
So my monthly Amazon subscribe and save is coming today.
Oh, way cool.
Plus another little fun surprise thing.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, so I'm sort of excited.
Okay.
I'm going to be out this afternoon. You bring in my stuff for me, okay?
Paying bills.
Yeah, sorry about that. But Don's done with the taxes. They've been accepted. We're good. Come on, bud. Get a little spring in your step this morning, even if you aren't all the way awake. I'll see you inside in a few minutes.
I'll be reading my paper.
Okay. Glad you got time for that this morning. The benefits of getting up a little earlier. Pretty. Still not quite all the way open. Tux, did you need to take a rest halfway? Actually, he was all the way up by the stairs and must have chased a gray girl back down. But he's on my bench. Hey, buddy. Yeah, I see a gray girl over there in the ferns. We got to come and get rid of this piece of barbed wire here. It's from that old fence. That is really old barbed wire. Hey, buddy. Let's go, guys. All right, wish me luck. I'm gonna try to crate him so I can take him for his yearly shots. So I was able to get him in the crate with no problem, but then when he realized the door shut, he was really upset. Poor guy, he's not taking being in the crate too good. I called them, they said to come up at 9. That left me 15 minutes to get there, which is fine. That's enough time, it's not any extra time, so I gotta scoot. I got Stripe taken inside. I told them to go easy on the poor guy because he's pretty upset about being in the crate. And the nice guy at the desk, he joked that after I release him, I probably won't see him for 2 weeks because he'll be so upset with me. I'm like, no, you don't understand. I can't. That would really stress me out. That can't happen. So I don't know. I'm sure it'll be fine. They've all forgiven me before. Usually it only takes about 24 to 48 hours for forgiveness. A few feedings later, the shot, you know, crud wears off. Let's hope. Yeah, Stripe was not friendly with them at all, and she was able to do what she needed to do, but sort of barely. And the thing of it is she really wants to booster the feline leukemia in 4 weeks. So second week in May would be good. Week before, week after. But so I really need to try to bring him back for another visit. We'll see. I hope so. I mean, maybe he'll see this wasn't so bad after all and it won't be a problem. I don't know. She says she's glad he's friendly with me because he really wasn't friendly with her. Poor guy. I pulled in at the old library to do a Clauncher raid, Pogo, and parked next to this nice Model 3. Well, I opened up the crate, pointing it up the hill. He sprinted out up to the fence, thought about it for a minute, and then went up there inside the fence where he hangs out so much. So at least he knows where he is. Best I could do. Hated to upset him so bad. So it's just afternoon and I am back out in Ruby. 75 degrees, sunny and gorgeous today. I guess we have a chance for rain, but not until this evening. I am headed to pick up my older son. I think we're gonna get takeout from Hibachi and Company and go to Guardian Angel, Fuquay, and or Yates Mill Pond or something for a little afternoon get together. So couldn't ask for a nicer day. I still miss the trees that used to be over here on the left. Those of you that have watched the channel for a long time remember this stretch of road, especially in the morning on the way to school when there would be these beautiful sunrises. And yeah, to add in the number of townhomes they added there and to take away the buffer from the road and all of that stuff, it just seems wrong to me still. And I think the trees on the right are fixing to go and they're going to put stuff over there too. And I guess I would just say to the town planning, zoning, all this stuff, that we have buffers for a reason. You know, these people that live in the houses here on the left and the right, I'm sure they wouldn't be too happy if somebody came and took their trees and fences and stuff down. This is not as pretty as back there, but it's reasonable. It's reasonable. So leave some trees, leave some green space. So I got a teriyaki, double vegetables, no rice. However, the carrots are actually the sugar carrots, so I'll have to be more clear next time about what I mean by double vegetable. All right, now that our stomach is full, we're gonna go walk it off at Guardian Angel. I'm gonna start out at Little Angel, just a quick Lego walkthrough. Look at what we found. Those are too cool. Look what I found. Corelware. I think that's going to go really great with that summer tablescape I was planning. Well, I'm not really in the market for another bench, but I got to tell you that that one, even though that's not the cushion I would pick out for it, it's probably at 65 bucks a good deal. These cushions are expensive. We had a good time. It's around 4:30 and unfortunately there's like this little small cell in the middle of the state raining here. As long as there's not any hail, we're good, and I don't think there is any hail. Well, that was over pretty quick. Not sure if we're gonna get more or if that's it. Hey, Donnie.
Hey, pretty girl.
How are ya?
Try.
Yeah, Ruby and I drove through some rain. I see it didn't rain here, though. She got all the pollen washed off of her.
Good.
He's trying to stop his podcast. I'm bad for podcasts.
Yeah, you're tough on podcasts. I'm getting some kind of error. There we go. It was doing captioning and it was messing up my buttons.
So you're out of your office?
Yeah, I literally walked out, grabbed the pipe from over there, and carried it.
Where was that pipe from? Oh, that's the pipe you used for extra leverage when you were doing the
yeah, I'm done pulling
brush
scrub
scrubber
this year, so you'll have to wait till
fall.
Well,
okay.
actually after first frost. It's not just fall, but it's got to be like
November, December. Yeah. Yep.
So.
Don helped me get out the rest of my angels and gazing globes and yard art, because Don absolutely loves yard art, right?
Oh yeah, that's the word I wouldn't use.
Oh, and frog homes and frogs. Right now he's helping me get power going on that fountain over there.
Ready for me to plug it in?
Oh yes. You go for it. It's all full of water. Life should be good.
Yeah. Here, let me light up like a Christmas tree.
Yeah, well, better you than me. We have just a little, oh, I see water. Come up right away. Yay. I'm going to have so much fun keeping them full and clean this summer.
Yeah, baby.
This one actually holds a good amount of water, so this one was the easiest on me last summer. And Don just switched out my ugly white plastic garden center pot for a heavy, prettier terracotta pot, and that's just to weather the cord a little bit.
Hey guys. Hey Stripey. Hey Morris. It's okay, buddy. Come on, Stripey, help me. Help me out, Stripey, buddy. Come on, Stripey. Hey, Stripey. Come on. Wait, Bubba. Okay, you don't like under your chin? That's fine.
And also, in case you're wondering, I don't think Stripe is as mad at us as you may think. Hey, Stripey Stripe.
Hey, Morris.
So I ordered this a few days ago, came in the mail today. I'm gonna do the big reveal on it tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be all about what's in this box. I'm gonna give you just a small hint that it is a Lego something. And you can pay special attention to this on the box. If you got a guess as to what it is, leave it in the comments. Right, nighttime? You gonna help tomorrow? Good girl.